Welcome to Module 2, Lesson 8. Today we will fluently multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm and using estimation to check for reasonableness of the product. Take a look at our first example, 314 times 246. 314 is about 300. 246 is about 200. I can use a basic fact, 3 times 2 is 6, and add on 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. I know now that my product should be about 60,000. Now I'm ready to actually multiply. I'm first going to pay close attention and use my ones digit. I'm going to multiply that across all place values. 6 times 4 is 24. I regroup my 2. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 more is 8. And 6 times 3 gives me 18. Now I've finished multiplying my ones digit, so I can cross it off and put a placeholder to hold the place of that ones digit. Now I'm going to focus on my tens digit. And I'm going to again multiply that across all place values. 4 times 4 gives me 16. I'm going to regroup my 1. 4 times 1 gives me 4, plus 1 more is 5. And 4 times 3 gives me 12. Now I'm finished multiplying my tens digit. So instead of just putting 1 0, I need to hold 2 place values. My ones digit, which is my 6, and my tens digit, which is my 4. Now I'm going to continue multiplying, and I'm going to multiply my hundreds digit across all place values. 2 times 4 gives me 8. 2 times 1 gives me 2, and 2 times 3 gives me 6. A quick check is in my factor, I have 1, 2, 3 digits, so I should have 1, 2, 3 partial products. My final step is to add them all together. 8 plus 6 is 14. I know 8 and 8 is 16, plus 1 more is 17, plus 5 is 22. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 more is 5, plus 2 more is 7, and 6 plus 1 gives me 7. When I place my comma, I see that my final product is 77,244. 77,244. I know that that's reasonable because my estimate was 60,000. And when I multiply, numbers get large fast. 77,000 is pretty close to 60,000. I'm in the same place value period. Let's take a look at one more problem. 1,882 times 296. First, I'm going to make a quick estimate. 1,882 is about 2,000. 296 is about 300. I'm going to use a basic fact. 2 times 3 gives me 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place my comma. My answer should be about 600,000. Now I'm ready to multiply. Again, I'm going to start with just my ones digit. 6 times 2 gives me 12. 6 times 8 gives me 48, plus 1 more is 49. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 4 more is 52. And 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 more is 11. I'm finished with my ones digit, so I'm going to put a placeholder to hold that value. Now I'm going to focus on my tens digit. 9 times 2 gives me 18. 9 9 times 8 is 72, plus 1 more is 73. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 7 more is 79. And 9 times 1 is 9, plus 7 more is 16. Just like I did with my ones digit, now I can cross off my tens digit, but I need 2 placeholders to hold the ones place and the tens place now. Now I'm ready to multiply my hundreds digit. 2 times 2 gives me 4. 2 times 8 gives me 16. Regroup my 1. 2 times 8 gives me 16, plus 1 more is 17. And 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. Again, I can do a quick check that my factor has 3 digits, so I should have 3 partial products. My final step is to add my partial products. When I place my comma, I see my final answer is 557,072. I'm going to write that up with my equation, 557,072. And I see that 557,000 is close to 600,000, so my answer is reasonable. That's all for today.